If it's taking you 4 hours to get through one book, you're not disciplined. You're doing it wrong. I used to sit with a highlighter for an entire afternoon just to remember maybe 2 ideas from it. Then I switched to this one method, and now I get the exact same knowledge, sometimes more, in 33 minutes. Not a summary you forget in a day. Actual usable ideas. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never read a book the slow way again. Section 1. The problem. Agitate. Most people don't finish books not because they're lazy, but because the traditional way of reading was built for a world with a lot more spare time in it. You buy a 300-page book with good intentions. You get through the first 2 chapters. Then life happens. Work, notifications, everything else, and the book sits on your nightstand as a symbol of guilt instead of growth. Sound familiar? That was me for years. I had a shelf full of half-read books and zero actual change in my habits, my money, or my mindset. Problem was never the ideas in the books. The problem was the delivery system. Section 2. The turning point. Here's what changed things for me. I stopped treating reading a book and learning from a book as the same task. A 300-page nonfiction book usually has maybe 5 to 7 core ideas. The other 250 pages are stories, repetition, and examples to help those ideas stick. That's useful if you have unlimited time. Most of us don't. So instead of fighting for 4 hours I started extracting just the core ideas first, using AI-powered book summary tools that condense an entire book into its key insights in around 15 to 30 minutes, complete with the actual takeaways you'd apply in real life. Section 3. How it actually works. The method. Here's the exact process, step by step. 1. Pick the book. Nonfiction works best for this. Business, psychology, money, self-improvement. 2. Run it through an AI summary tool. There are several solid options in 2026. Some give you text, some give you audio, some even let you ask follow-up questions about the book like you're talking to the author. 3. Extract 3 to 5 ideas that actually apply to your life right now. Not every idea in a book is for you. Filter aggressively. 4. Write them down somewhere you'll actually see again. Notes app, journal, whatever sticks for you. 5. Apply one idea within 24 hours. This is the step almost everyone skips, and it's the entire reason most reading doesn't change anything. Knowledge you don't use is just entertainment. That whole process takes about 30 to 35 minutes depending on the book. Compare that to the 4+ hours of traditional reading. And here's the part that surprised me most. I remembered more from the summarized version, because I was actively applying it instead of passively highlighting sentences I'd never look at again. Section 4. The results. Since switching to this method, I went from finishing maybe 4 to 5 books a year to actually absorbing over 40. Not skimmed, absorbed, applied, and remembered. My notes app is full of ideas I've actually used. A negotiation tactic that got me a better deal, a mental model that changed how I handle stress, a money principle that changed how I save. None of that happened when the book was sitting on a shelf being read slowly. It happened when I made the information move fast enough to actually matter. Section 5. Common objection. Address skepticism. Now some of you are thinking, that feels like cheating. Real readers finish the whole book. And look, if you love the immersive experience of reading, that's genuinely valuable, and I'm not telling you to stop. But if the choice is between reading 0 books because you don't have 4 hours, or extracting the value from 10 books because you have 30 minutes, the math isn't close. Done and applied beats perfect and abandoned every single time. If this saved you even 1 hour this week, that's the whole point of this channel. Small shifts that compound into a completely different life. Hit subscribe if you want more of these, because next week I'm breaking down the exact 3 books that changed how I think about money, using this same method. Drop a comment with the book you've been meaning to read for months. I'll pick a few and tell you the fastest way to actually get through them. And if you know someone who has 5 unread books on their nightstand right now, send them this video. See you in the next one.